What's up, everybody? Here in the hot box in the NugSmasher factory. I got the camera guy back there behind the camera, and we're gonna smash or extract some flour. We have 10.5 grams of frosty flour right there and there. Can't show you the whole flour because YouTube don't like it, but it's through the bag. It's in a 90 micron 14 gram bag. You can stick less flour in a 14 gram bag than 14 grams for sure, why not? The surface area is what the 14 gram bag holds. And to get a consistent extraction, you wanna make sure it's programmed to a 14 gram bag down here. We're using the IQ today. You can see on the bottom, there's quick settings so you can toggle between the bag sizes. We're using 14 gram, like I said. And I wanna go ahead and do a 2-minute extraction. 600 material PSI, that's lovely. Maybe we can go 625-ish. Okay, 2 minutes, 207 degrees. If you guys just have some regular old flour, cured bud from the dispensary or something like that, and you wanna go ahead and run it through the IQ, it's real easy to do to get some great solventless full melt rosin. Best dabs ever. Just take a piece of parchment paper like this, get it set for the inside of this thing here. We need to fold this over, and we got too much excess bag here so far, so we can go ahead and trim the bag off so it leaves just enough for us to fold over. Just like a little present there. That's the way we like to do it. All 4 sides, tuck them all in, fold them all over. And how that's gonna extract is nice and round like this. So that's the surface area that the machine's set for, is that size, that round square inch size. At this point, we wanna bring the plates close together. The height of the bag is what we're after. And you see how that's the height of the bag there. And then we slide in the parchment paper and slide in the bag right behind it. You want to make sure that you have plenty of room at the back of your paper, that you're not extracting right by the crease. What happens is it has a tendency to break through if you are. So once we get it all set just like that, guys, all we have to do is press start. We want to double check our settings just one last time. Surface area size down there, it's only 1 bag, yes. Time for 2 minutes, yes. The pressure that we got it set for is 625 at 207. Looks great to me. And if you're doing a strain that you've already done and you want to transfer that formula or recipe right in there, you can just go to your chirp files, saves all your previous smashes. It'll save this one. We can go to it afterwards and label what it is, strain, grower, and all that stuff. You can repeat that next time if you get the same strain, if you have some special recipes worked out. If you're not really sure, I try to extract on real general settings on our channel here. So if you're not really sure, 207 at 625 to 650 is pretty good. 2 minutes, that's great. You can start with that on any flour. As you work down in temperature, your yield will diminish at a certain point. So you want to get to the point where you're working down in temperature where your yield just starts to diminish. This should be the lightest, best quality full melt product that you should be able to get out. But what's so great about rosin is it's solventless, it's natural. You're using heat and pressure and your recipes to get the very best out of the plant, take all the unwanted out of it, so your lungs will love you. And it's also very, what do you think, camera guy, Stoney? Is that the word for it? Very potent, right, D? Yeah, potent. And we can see what's coming out there. This flour's like maybe 2 or 3 months old. It's been sitting in our humidor down there, and it's not super fresh, but you can see the quality of the product looks pretty good from here. Guys, now's a good time to like, subscribe. Make sure you tell a friend out there if you meet a cannabis enthusiast who's looking for some great solventless product. Our machines, we promise to give you that. All of our machines have a full lifetime warranty, and they're built right here in Lake Havasu City, Arizona, in an old Kmart that we transformed into our factory. If you're visiting Lake Havasu City, make sure you stop in and say hi to us. Look at that, you guys, butter. Look at that stuff. Look at that. And guys, if you haven't tried solventless dabs, you're missing out. They are the way to go. The only way. see, I just take one of our collection tools and I just start scraping along the parchment paper, and it'll collect all the rosin. Just drag it right across. Camera guy, guess the weight.
I would say, I'm gonna say 2.56.
Oh, that's a pretty good guess, I think. I'm gonna say 2.65. Just because I'm optimistic. Probably been safer to go a little under you, but we'll see.
We'll see.
Okay, guys, so the camera guy's guess is 2.5.
2.56.
5.6. Mine's 2.6.
2.65.
5. Probably 2.4 to be honest. Oh!
Oh, you were right.
But I was wrong.
You were right, you were wrong.
So it's about 22% yield out of some old flour, guys. It absolutely smells and looks great. It's going to be some great dabs. At this point, you can press it into a coin, store it in some parchment in a bag, and it'll be great. Or a rosin pot or something like that. So that's how easy it is to make solventless rosin from flour. You can see what you have at the end, a round puck from that bag. And also a little bit more about the IQ is there's a ramp mode, so you can, it has built into it automatic settings for isolate, hash, fills them right in for you. You can put them in there, watch a video. It's real easy to do any of those solventless products and extract them into a full melt rosin. It also has a master extractor screen. You can go in and put the exact surface area in if you're doing something at a different size or shape. It goes over into your decarb mode, so it'll do a full decarb for you or isolate there like I told you. It hooks up to the internet, so it hooks up to your terp files and then records your last dozen extractions for you. It has a fan here that turns on the big fan in the back that helps cool down the plates. If you're just done an extraction and now you want to go ahead and isolate it, you need to get the plates a lot lower, so you know the temp a lot lower to do that. And then it has your settings, which has a whole bunch of other things in them. Your terp file settings, along with your network connection, a bunch of other things, what units and everything else. So, and any help with the NugSmasher IQ that you need, remember our staff's on site here at the factory 7 days a week, 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. Central Standard Time. So hit them up. They're here to help in any way, assist you with a purchase or assist you with help or guiding you through getting something done that you're looking to get done. NugSmasher IQ is an excellent, excellent choice, along with all of our machines. And they're all backed by the great warranty, made right here in the United States, right here in Arizona, our NugSmasher Mini and XP, and our commercial line, the NugSmasher Pro, along with the NugSmasher Touch. Guys, until next time, thanks so much for watching. We appreciate you guys so much. Hope I've taught somebody something today. And please comment down below and like and subscribe. Put the bell on if you haven't already. See you next time.